Hi there, Dr. John Whitcomb on the topic, are there microplastics in your water? Those plastic bottles are everywhere. You get a plastic bottle in the refrigerator at work, they're sitting in the grocery store. Virtually every soda is now sold in microplastics. And are we getting unintended consequences from the use of all that plastic? And the answer for that is probably yes. Researchers at the University of California developed a new method of looking at plastics content with what they call a Raman hyperspectral simulated Raman scattering SRS device that could measure smaller than micro, we're down to nanoparticles, tiny particles. And they found that there's roughly 250,000 of them in every bottle of plastic containing liquid that you drink. That's a lot. And even the American Endocrine Society has now issued a special alert about microplastics and plastic. And it's not just the plastic itself. Because of their surface that can be chemically sticky, hundreds of endocrine disrupting chemicals can play piggyback on those microplastics. And we have found them everywhere. They are in your brain. They are in your sexual organs, your testes and ovaries. They are in your blood vessels. They are in your uterus. They are in your placenta. They are everywhere. This is a little concerning. This is big concerning. Price tag, $250 billion a year. Medical effect in just America. This is an international problem. What will work for me? I no longer take plastics when I go on my bike ride. I now have a metal can. I don't use any plastic glasses in my office, and I have only ceramic mugs. We're trying to not take any plastic carryout when we get food. We have to think this through. Start thinking it through for yourself. Stop using plastic containing bottles. Dr. John Whitcomb for News and Nutrition. Microplastics are killing us, and it's in your drinking water.